Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the BGKey.sys error that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to play or launch Valorant or League of Legends. And other causes may include software corruptions, problems with hardware or mismatch configuration settings that interfere with the game's functionings. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable the fast startup. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na itong control panel, so dito lang sa top right corner ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then i-select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options, so i-tap mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa left side menu ng power options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung choose what the power buttons do, so i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-tap mo lang dito yung change settings that are currently unavailable, so i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, so dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung shutdown settings. And then kailangan lang natin i-turn off yung turn on fast startup, so uncheck mo lang yung box. And then once na uncheck mo na siya, and then click mo lang dito yung save changes. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall the Vanguard. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard, pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na appwiz. So just type this command keyword appwiz.cpl. That is one word, and i-tap mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so dito lang sa uninstall or change sa programs, so dito lang sa name ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Riot Vanguard. Okay, so for example, i-select mo lang yung Riot Vanguard, so click mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang itong i-uninstall. Okay, so dito lang sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung uninstall, and then i-click mo lang yan. Alright, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable the virtualizations based security. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin enter dito yung command keyword na bc ddet space /set space hypervisor launch type space off. So i-copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C. And then next step ay ipipaste natin dito, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. So i-click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And the operations completed successfully. Ayan, so makikita mo dito, completed successfully. And then close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix the BGKey.sys error and Valorant or League of Legends. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.